Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kurt Henninger, and in this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about free traffic and leads for your business. This, was actually having a conversation with a lady the other day, and recommended to her that one of the best things for her to do is to, start with some free content marketing and to start a simple website of her own, known as a blog. And at first, she was a little bit intimidated, but after I explained things to her, she understood where I was coming from. So, very, very valuable. And this information, it's going to blow you away. How powerful having your own website is for your business. So, let me go into a little bit of background information here. I was on Google the other day and looked up. I saw in my Google Analytics account, which is just basically a tracking software that Google gives out for free that tells you where you're getting some traffic from, and found my own website, New School Network Marketing blog, on page 1 for the word network marketing training. Now there's about a little under 39 million other websites that are out there for this particular term, and I was fortunate enough to get on page 1 for this particular keyword, amongst other, network marketing trainers, Randy Gage, Doug Firebaugh, John Milton Fogg, people like that have gotten, that are also, they have their websites on page 1 for Google. And just to give you an idea of what you're capable of here, so I went into a Google keyword tool, which you can get this yourself. It's a free tool that Google hands out for just go to google.com and type in the word keyword tool, and it's the first listing there. But I went and typed in the word network marketing training and found that, for the word network marketing training, there's around 12,000 on average, 12,000 searches per month for that particular keyword. And the last data that they had, there was a little bit under 10,000 in November. But here's the really cool thing. If I wanted to pay for advertisements, which are these pay-per-click ads over here, I would be paying $3.37 every time somebody clicked on one of those ads, and I'm getting all this traffic for free. And that's what's really, really so powerful about this. That you can do this too. Absolutely, you can do this too. And I want to show you something here. This is my first blog post on my blog here, that same blog that's right there, on June 24th, 2008. And that's when I started posting information on, my blog. So it doesn't take that long to get real. In fact, you can get results a lot quicker than this. But really, how you do this is it all comes down to something known as links back to your website. And I'm going to be going into this in a lot more depth later on this week for those of you that are part of the Internet Networker training newsletter. I'm going to show you precisely my system that I use for every piece of content that I have, step by step. So if you do subscribe to that, you'll get an email later on this week and get that information. But here's the it's all really about links. And what that is if you think of the internet as like a little bit of a popularity contest, the more websites that point to your website, the better, and the more popular your website is. And if they point to your website saying that your website is about, in this case, network marketing training, the search engines are going to think your website is about network marketing training, and you get a boost in search engines and can get traffic and leads for free using this little technique right here. And, it's about getting links. It's about getting links from places like Squidoo, Hub Pages, Dig, forums, and there's a ton of other places to get links from. But that's just, somewhere to start off with, and it's really not as complicated as you think. It's just a little bit of work that you have to put into it, and a little bit of focused work to put into it to do the same thing. And like I said, I haven't had this blog, for very, very long. In fact, a lot shorter amount of time than a lot of these other websites have been out there, but I've been able to achieve the same results or better than a lot of these other websites that are out there. So, again, what I want, my point here is I want to hopefully inspire you this year, it's the beginning of the new year, to go and set up a website for yourself. That is absolutely one of the best things that you can do, and start taking advantage of this stuff just like I have here, and get some traffic and leads for your business, your network marketing opportunity. Just you got to start somewhere. And just like I showed you here, and I told this lady the other day, you got to start somewhere. Everybody starts somewhere. I started with one blog post too, and you can see where it's gotten me just for one of these keyword terms out of hundreds and hundreds that I'm listed on the search engines for. So again, this is Kurt Henninger. Go out there and take some action and get some results for yourself. Have a good day.